Hey everyone, it's Darla from crafty.yarn.owl. Welcome. So today I have another Whisk to show you some bags. These are not, well, yeah, there's a tote bag in here. But yeah, so if you haven't heard of Whisk, it's W-I-S-K-F. And they've contacted me again asking me to show a few of their items. Comes in this bag, and then all the items are individually in plastic bags. So we have some little crossbody bags and something kind of special that they opened up to me, to maybe other YouTubers who are showing their products. I'm not really sure, but okay, so let's see. Whisk sells aprons, pillowcases, cosmetic bags, which are great as notions pouches for us crocheters and knitters. There's crossbody bags. They always have new products on their site. At the top of their site is 3 lines. You click on that, go down the menu, and it says new arrivals, and click on that, and there's always new things on their site, and the more you buy, the higher percentage you get off of these items, whether they're on sale or not. But they're excellent prices, so excellent. And also there'll be a 5% off coupon code below that you can use on top of those sale prices. Yes, so let's see. They have new what they're calling project bags right here. That's what they look like. They have pictures of them holding pencils and pens. I think you can put your crochet hooks in there and some notions in the zippered top. Yes. All right, I did not get that because I didn't see that on their site last time, because they're always putting new things on their site. All right, so let's see what they sent me. Actually, we get to pick out what we want to show. I mean, we run our channels the way we want to run our channels, you know? So I picked out a few items, and I like to try to get, you know, things that you guys would be interested in, or that I think you would be. And summer's coming, so yes. So this here is, they call it a straw crossbody bag. Let's see. Just looking at my notes here, it's very good to do some research before you start your video. So straw crossbody bag, it says pink or blue. I guess this one would be considered blue. Isn't that cute? And it says straw. Is it actually made out of straw? It feels very straw-like. I grew up on a farm, so I know what straw feels like. So there's a really nice zipper. It's a metal zipper. You open it up. Inside they have a strap, but it's also lined. Let's see, what do they say here? The main material, they say, is woven. Lining is, they say, polyester. So it's a nice lining in there. These really remind me of the fanny packs we had years ago. So here is the strap. And it has the metal attachments. It's adjustable. And I tell you, these are strong. These are very strong. All right, so let's just hook it on these metal rings. Ooh, that clip is strong. Yes, I find that all their products that I have received from them have been very well made, and their prices are affordable. You know, it's April, summer's coming. I thought this would be really nice for summer. Um, you know, there's a lot of room in there. If you have a small project you want to take with you, maybe to a park bench, sit out there and, you know, crochet, you could probably fit it in here with your phone and what other little things you normally carry. So let's see, straw crossbody bag. These are $14.12 Canadian. Let me just do this back up. So you can wear it like that, just, you know, over your shoulder. It's adjustable. Let me see this. So you can make it a crossbody. Isn't that cute? I think that's really cute. That's a nice metal zipper. Looks strong. Yeah, that's really cute. Or you know how all the cool kids are wearing them these days? Let me see if I can do it. Tighten this strap up quite a bit here. Yeah. I don't think I'd ever wear it like this myself. I'd rather wear it like crossbody. Have it by my side. Yeah. But so many ways you can wear them. And like I said, summer's coming. Also, you know, there's birthdays, there's Christmas, there's just because I was thinking about you gifts. Yeah. I think this is very nice. And I think it's very good quality. I'm just checking out the stitching. And the stitching looks really well done. Let me just show you. That's the bottom of the bag. Very nice, very nice. It smells clean. Yes, it does. Okay, so that's the first one. Let's go on to the next one. Oh, and hang around because there's a little surprise. Okay. All right. Let's see. This one is also a crossbody, is what they call it, ethnic style. You can get them in blue, purple, or red. They say they're canvas. And I think this one is just, whew, this one is so pretty. Look at that. Look at those tassels. So this is the red one. Pretty, pretty tassels. Same design or style as the other one I just showed you. It's got a really nice zipper, metal zipper. The stitching looks good. There's the lining and the stitching on the lining. Can you see that? So yeah, lining. And the strap. The strap is right here. Look at this strap. Wow. And this strap is so silky. Oh, it just feels so soft, so silky. Let's take a look at the stitching. Oh, that's really strong. It doesn't seem to have any give or stretch to it. All right, so let's put it on the bag. It's adjustable as well. You know, this is that bag, this straw one I think is more casual, you know. But this one is just seems more, it's dressier. It's dressier. Yeah. Okay. I'm just gonna put it so that it's crossbody. Oh, that's cute. It's got a tassel on the zipper as well. Wow, look at that. Woo! That's really nice. Really nice. So I'm very pleased with these products. I'm pleased with everything that Whisk, they've gotten from Whisk. Yeah, that's just beautiful. Here, oh, here's the back. And the front. See, the zipper looks a little, you know, a little weavy kind of, but you know, once you get your stuff in there, I mean, there's nothing in there right now. Once you put stuff in there, I think that it's going to close. I think it's going to close nice. It's just that it's so flat right now because there's nothing in there. Let me put something in there. Okay, I have something in there. This is how it looks with 2 balls of yarn in there. So yes, so let's see what the balls of yarn are. Hirschner's, just Hirschner's fashion yarn. 2 of these I had in there. Yeah. So I'm noticing that the strap on this one is shorter than on the other one. See where that lands there? And then this other one is definitely longer, the strap. And I have this one opened all the way up to its length. So yeah, I don't know if I mean, if they purposely make them like that, I don't really know. I would prefer the longer strap, like this than this one. But yeah, I could take this strap and put it on this one. Why not? There's always a way. Oops, just hit myself in the glasses. Okay, so the next item they sent me is something they've opened up to, I guess, to YouTubers to show, and I was pretty excited about this. But let me check my notes here. I'm not sure if I mentioned, the more you buy on their site, the higher percentage you get off. I think I mentioned that. But I'll have their site linked below, and I'll have the link to each of these items linked below as well. Okay, so the next one. Oh my gosh. I asked them if I could get this. And so they got back to me and they said they're opening it up right now. So I guess for YouTubers to show. This is called DIY Custom Casual Tote Bag. Now it's just one of their regular open at the top tote bags, which are awesome, by the way. Sorry, phone call. Not sure where I was, but it's a DIY custom casual tote bag. Linen, it says on their site, linen, polyester, polyester canvas, flannel, twills. They're 40 by 40 centimeters, which is 15 by 7 inches square. I mean 15.7 inches square. And yeah, they're custom. You can get whatever picture you want put on them. Now I sent them a picture of my logo. It's at the end of my video, but I wanted it, I don't know if I sent them the wrong one, but I wanted it to be the PNG one where it's a transparent background, or I guess on a bag it would show white. but this is, maybe I sent them the wrong one because I do have 3 different ones. But yeah, it's got an owl, and I have some of these logos with a transparent background on some of my spring merch. And thank you to those who have been buying my merch. So excited. Thank you so much. All right, so Crafty Yarn Owl with Darla. And the owl is behind there, kind of faded. So yeah, when I mentioned to them that I'd like one of these with my logo, I mean, that's pretty nice too, the way it is here, right? They told me that I could take 2 bags. So I'm like, oh, so sweet. So it's on both sides. You can barely see the owl on there. At the top there, see his face? Oh, it's so cute. But, so I have 2, the same. I haven't looked at this one. I haven't taken it out of the package, but I will to look at it and make sure it looks the same as this one. And so I have a giveaway going on another video. It's a hidden giveaway, but so whoever wins that one, which runs until April 10th, will also get one of my bags. I'm just going to add that to that one. So go over to that video and just leave a comment, okay, if you haven't already. Okay, so these bags are $10.80 Canadian. To get a custom a logo or picture, whatever you want. You get a picture of your face on there if you want. You just send them the picture right on their website. It says upload image right by this bag. This well, it's not this one that shows on there. It's just a blank one, but yeah, you just upload it there, and yeah, they'll do it for you if they can. I'm pretty sure they can. Well, if they can put your picture on a bag, they'll do it, right? So I think that's it. Like, the links for all these items will be below, and so make sure you go over there and check them out if you haven't already. And I know a lot of you have, and I'm happy. You know, I got these items for free. They always send them to me at no charge to myself. I haven't, you know, requested to be paid to do these videos. It's just getting these items and showing you guys, and I've been trying to get like their new arrivals and things, just to show you guys. And you know, with summer coming, I thought, you know, these would be really, really cute for summer, right? These little bags, really cute for summer. And then I hadn't done a custom one before, so I thought that would be awesome. And like, if you guys don't have a channel, you don't have a logo or whatever, you can send in a picture of your dog or cat or your flowers, anything, and just see if they can do it for you. Yeah, all right, so I think that's it. If I forgot anything, I'll put it in the description box. So thank you so much, and have a wonderful day, and I'll see you as soon as I can. All right, bye.